This is your boy Snake Charmer from Snake Charmer Choppers. We're having a massive opening at Gas World, and they've got heaps of sales on, compressors, welders, and now the Snake Charmer welding masks will be sold at Gas World, made by Lincoln Electric. Okay, so these are the crazy helmets. So people, I'd like to see you all here tomorrow. There's going to be show cars and there's going to be heaps of sales. So any handyman, any tradesman, come and get your tools on sale tomorrow. It's on Bat Street. Look at all the tools they have. Massive store. Massive.